pull it out. See that it's red. Give it a whiff. You want it to be nice, kind of pink reddish. You don't want to see it browning at all. Once it starts to turn brown, then it's time to go to town and get it done.
That's right. Give her a nice clean.
Stick her back down. Pull it back out. And take a look. You're right between the dots where you want to be.
See those dots. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's crispy.
And then for the engine oil, same thing. Pull it out. Take a look. Give it a nice wipe. We are good to go.
Amazing. Topped her up. That's
We're
exactly
right at that dot there.
That's right. That's what you want to see. So we had to top it up. We noticed it was a little low.
Well, it's good. You can even tell just by holding the light on here that there's coolant in there. She's full to the level she needs to be.
Yes.
Air filter, that's going to get done once it's at the shop. It's going to get a whole basic maintenance tune-up done. You got your power steering fluid over here. You can see that that's nice and in between the lines. And yeah, you got brake fluid in there, hopefully. But
That'll help.
it'll help. Let's fire her up, see how she runs.
Yep. Mint.
Her like a kitten. If you close your hood that it's properly closed.
Yes?
I've had it on the highway and it's not a good time. It smashes into the windshield.